Hi, I am Ylenia Chiari. I am an assistant professor in the biology department at George Mason, and I teach genetics, the core course, the introductory course of genetics. I have been teaching seminar for undergraduate and graduate students, and I teach also a project-based course, which can be either in the lab. Last year it was in the lab, and it was focusing on conservation genetics. And this year is going to be all computer-based, and it's going to be online, and it's going to focus on comparative genomics. I became an evolutionary biologist just by chance, I would say. I didn't like biology in high school. I actually really thought it was pointless because I had a terrible teacher, but I love physics. And so when it was time to decide which university path to take, I wanted to study oceanography. And but because of family reason, I couldn't go too far from where we lived, and there was not university offering oceanography near where I'm from. And so my mom suggested I could start studying biology and then transfer after 1 year to oceanography. And what happened is, as soon as I started biology, I remember one of the first classes I had was cell biology, and I love it. I thought that it was fantastic, it was fascinating, and what happened in the cell and how what happened in the cell is translated to the entire organism. I just got captivated, and I forget about anything else, and I just wanted to be a biologist. And so I study biology, and I finish. I work on marine plants for my master's, and then I got this incredible opportunity and to do my PhD in Germany. And I was in this lab where everybody was doing evolutionary biology, and at the time when I finished my degree, I didn't know very much about evolutionary biologists because we didn't do it so much at university. That was many years ago. And so when I got into this lab, I was like, wow, what is this? I love this. I love evolution, and I love to understand how things change, and how can I have missed all of this until now? And so it was really like, and I found my way. So this is how I became an evolutionary biologist. Okay, and so yes, I am an evolutionary biologist, and I study variation. And I study variation in a lot of different things. I study variation in morphology. Why do things have different colors? Why do things live longer? Some have a very short lifespan, some others live a long time. Why some organisms look the way they are? How come they look the way they are? They behave the way they do, and how this impacts what they do, what they eat, what they behave, the mating system, and everything. So I study how something makes the variation, and then once you have this variation, how this variation is used. And I work with reptiles, especially gecko lizard and turtles, and I work with fish. If I would not have been an evolutionary biologist, I think I would have been an evolutionary biologist. No, kidding. I'm really lucky to do what I do. I really love it. And I think I would still be a scientist. I love science. I love the process of asking questions and finding way to answer it and figure it out. If it's not what I thought, why is not what I thought? So probably I would study physics or math, but I would still be a scientist. New students, my advice to new students and current student is do whatever you like. Just go for it. Go find something that really you're passionate about and just go for it. And don't pay attention if people tell you that you're not gonna make it, that you're not cut for it. That I heard it. I heard it all. I heard that I will never become a professor at university, and here I am. I heard that I would never publish anything good if I work with turtles, and I did. I heard that I would never become a good scientist. I heard that, you know, I heard a lot of discouraging things about me, about why I would not be a good scientist, why I would not make it if I work with the reptiles, and a lot of discouraging things. Just don't listen to it. Just if you are really passionate about, just go through. Find people who believe in you. Find people who support you. Find people who encourage you. Find people that help you grow and help you to become what you want to be.